Jake's fucking tractor updates, upgrades. I know this is gonna sound stupid, but we're gonna cam it with different ratio rockers. So I'm gonna take this, cut it down and change the point of the push rod touch. Hopefully I can get roughly 40 thousandths more intake and exhaust valve opening. I heard it changes duration as well. So see how it goes with the quad carb, the valve lift. It's got pretty short exhaust, but if it makes more than 20 horsepower, I succeeded. When your wife leaves the kid at home with you and has to go to work for the day, and you tie your son to the sled to the mower. All right, let's give it a break. Let's go eat.